Hey guys, welcome back to Planet V. One of Spain's most elegant seaside cities, a town connected to the first voyage around the world, and cliffs that reveal millions of years of Earth's history. Welcome to the Basque Coast. Nestled between green mountains and the Bay of Biscay, San Sebastián is often considered one of Spain's most beautiful cities. Despite its modest size, it has earned a global reputation for its scenery, architecture, and exceptional food culture. San Sebastián has one of the highest concentrations of Michelin-starred restaurants in the world, making it a pilgrimage site for food lovers. La Concha means the shell, a name inspired by the perfect curve of the bay. Its elegant promenade and calm waters have attracted visitors for more than a century. This elegant building was not always City Hall. It originally opened as San Sebastián Grand Casino, where Europe's elite gathered during the city's golden age. San Sebastián became Spain's most fashionable seaside destination after Queen Maria Cristina chose it as her summer residence in the late 19th century. To truly appreciate San Sebastián, it helps to see it from above. From Mount Igueldo, the city's famous shell-shaped bay unfolds beneath you. Named after Queen Maria Cristina, this bridge reflects the elegant Belle Époque character that transformed San Sebastián into a royal resort town. Completed in 1897, this neo-Gothic cathedral is the largest church in the Basque country. The historic center reveals a different side of the city, where narrow streets, lively squares, and centuries of history come together. The numbered balconies surrounding the square are reminders of the days when this entire plaza served as a bull ring. Someone just arrived. The city has two official names, San Sebastián in Spanish and Donostia in Basque. The Basque language spoken here is one of Europe's oldest and remains a mystery to linguists because it is unrelated to any other known language family. Housed in a former Dominican convent, San Telmo Museum tells the story of Basque culture, traditions, and identity. As daylight fades, the waterfront takes on a different character, with lights reflecting across the bay. Every September, San Sebastián hosts one of Europe's most prestigious film festivals, welcoming some of the biggest names in cinema. Small in size but rich in history, Getaria has produced figures whose influence reached far beyond the Basque Coast. Getaria is the birthplace of fashion designer Cristóbal Balenciaga, often regarded as one of the greatest couturiers of the 20th century. Getaria was also the birthplace of Juan Sebastián Elcano. After Ferdinand Magellan was killed in the Philippines, Elcano took command of the expedition and completed the first successful circumnavigation of the globe in 1522. As someone whose family name is Cano, discovering Elcano's connection with the Philippines made this stop unexpectedly personal. Perched above the sea, the Hermitage of San Telmo occupies one of the most dramatic viewpoints on the Basque Coast. The cliffs below reveal layers of rock that preserve millions of years of Earth's history. Geologists from around the world study this coastline because it offers a rare glimpse into the planet's past. Fans of Game of Thrones may recognize this coastline. The cliffs around Zumaia appeared as Dragonstone in the series. From the elegance of San Sebastián to the maritime history of Getaria and the extraordinary cliffs of Zumaia, this journey along the Basque Coast offered landscapes, stories, and discoveries at every turn.